Hey! No! I know one was filming it. Yeah.
Oh, we're good.
Where are you going?
I took a shortcut.
Wow.
That steering's really dodgy on this controller, isn't it? Oh! Nope. It's a nightmare.
What's up?
That steering on that Losi is awful. Are we just avoiding the turns, B? You got to go on an oval.
Oh no, it's either all or nothing.
Right, make sure you leave enough to straighten it in the air. That's it, well done.
It is all or nothing.
Take the throttle off when you're turning it, alright?
He's having trouble with his car, isn't he?
Nice, Jem, that's good, well done. Did you leave the throttle on?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't do on that one, mate. That little one kicks your back wheels up, so...
Eh?
The little one will kick your back wheels up. That was nice.
I'm not sure if that took the back wheel off.
You what?
I'm not sure if that took the back wheel off.
What do you mean? Shouldn't have done.
It looked like it was off.
Oh, did it? That's it. That X-Max. Oh, right in the nose. No, it looks right.
Both of us exactly the same.
No, I know, mate. Whoa, nosedive.
That's been spectacular when it's down. So
Yeah.
it's not a real car.
Billy thinks he's got a NASCAR.
Shut up. Oh no!
Oh no, what you did?
I told you that wheel.
That's a different wheel.
Oh yeah, it was.
Bring it down here, bring it off to the side, mate. That's
If you're out on loose stuff, you're fine.
that's what that is.
It pulled through.
Yeah, it's just pulled through on that one. That's all right, we got the spare. Hey, up, straddling.
Yours is hidden, man. XTM flies, isn't it?
Huh?
XTM flies, doesn't
Yeah, man, loves it.
it? Where's your XTM, Pat?
It's over there.
Where? Oh, I'll wait till you catch up. Oh, you got a Losi in front, look. There's Pat behind.
Ooh, we did have a Losi. No, we're good.
Oh, game over. Can you come with me back over? Oh, that's flying, man. Is my GoPro still on there?
Probably not.
Oh!
Oh, she lives! She lives! Oh no, 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 no!
Oh no, Rope it again.
Oh, no. Oh. Yours is lightning, isn't it?
That toe goes perfect with it, doesn't it? Oh, my cuff, baby.
Oh! No, no, no. Yeah, we've done it again. Drive shaft, is it? Can you? Did you just? You were looking.
I just got fatal and Kevin one go.
Catch!
So far.
I'd be on the track, but my car just like itself. It goes when I don't have the trigger. When I don't trigger.
That's the best description ever.
Where's the car? Yeah.
Have I got the five side shaft top hat?
No, boy, in there.
Shock bed. Yeah, shock bed. Yeah, take the shot.
That's probably when you threw it at Kev.
Yeah.
I'm stuck.
Yeah, I put the boot on, she can't come back. Oh, bollocks.
Man.
It looks wicked when it's going, doesn't it? Oh, don't run anyone over, babe.
I hate the steering on it. Oh no.
Oh, come on. Sorry. I ain't got to leave it well, isn't it?
Whoa.
Oh, Billy! It's so rough.
The tyre on the back's hanging off now, I think.
Get the X-Man, go on, catch it. Oh, go on.
Oh,
Go on, go on, go on. Oh, look at that. That A-cast is moving also.
shame yours never did.
Yeah, I know. Look at that. Oh, nice, really nice. So much happens like me, and it is alright.
It don't feel it.
Come on that right side.
Yeah.
Sorry, dude. Oh, power.
Yeah. The suspension seems off as well though. Yeah?
What happened, babe? Battery?
The steering on this one's awful though, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's almost as bad as yours.
Whoa! Let's get out of the way.
That's pulling a fair bit.
Oh! Nice, Billy, nice. You was going straight into it. Oh!
Yeah, I should have changed it, but... Okay, that's just
It's got a bit of a pull on it.
How's it?
Yeah.
How's Stephen?
Oh, I'm going the wrong way.
I'm going off track.
Nailed it.
It doesn't flip very well. Trying.
Oh, that went. I floored it too early.
Oh! I don't know how it's going to lie actually. Nailed it! Let's call it a durability test.
Wheel.
Is it a wheel?
Yeah.
Nice.
I think the Cheetah's had it. Ooh. Guess what? I killed the cheetah.
You've killed the cheetah already! Oh man, it's meant to jump!
It did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, you
It's already like a bodgy job on it.
you done a Stempy special?
Yeah.
Oh! Man down! Tumble wumble.
We're a car down. Well, it can still jump.
Bit of Stemp
No,
University there.
That needs a lot of cable ties for it to jump. Should we do it?
Yes.
Cable tie it and get it jumping.
Well, Steve said yes, so.
Oh! Hey, it's wedged.
Oh no! Oh no, what happened? I missed it. I think you killed it, dude. I think that might be game over, mate. Oh no, it's only body panels. There you go, fixed it. Fixed it.
Oh, see, look at that.
Fixed it.
Gone underneath, it's twisted. I must rip that. There you go.
There you go, we're halfway there to fixing it. Just a few cable ties.
I don't think cable ties can work with that. Yeah.